Hello! Today I would love to demonstrate boom cards, which if you aren't familiar yet with boom cards, they are basically digital task cards, but they are interactive, they are self-grading, they're just really versatile in terms of ages and different goals that they address. They're probably the most interactive digital resource that I use, and I use them daily because they are amazing. So they can be used on the free app, the free Boom Learning app if you're doing face-to-face therapy, or if you're doing teletherapy, you can use them on a browser and screen share with your student so that they can see and interact with the boom cards themselves. So let's look at a couple examples of different boom card decks.
Okay, so when I'm logged into my account, I can just go up to Library, which is the decks I have either purchased or made. I have them divided into different folders, as you can see. The one I want to show you is a birthday activity that I do with a student when they have a birthday. So one of the things about boom cards that you can have in your decks is fillable text boxes like that, where the student can type right into the box. Another cool feature about boom cards is that you can drag and drop. So I can click and drag these presents to the card like that. Some of the boom cards have have sounds like this one. Let me click and you can hear part of a song. Okay, so that's a couple examples of things that you might see in boom cards. Let me show you another deck really quickly. This one is for past tense verbs. And if I click on where I want to go, there is a question or a sentence with a blank, and I have to click which answer fits in the blank. If I click the wrong one, it crosses it out. If I click the right one, it circles it. And I can progress through the cards that way.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed looking at a couple different examples of boom cards. There are different membership levels with Boom Learning, all the way from a free level up to the ultimate one if you want to make your own decks to sell. But the free one, you can add decks to your library and just use them as much as you want. So you don't have to pay if you don't want to use boom cards. Most of the decks are cost, but there are some free ones that you can try. And once you buy a deck, it's added to your library forever. So it'll just be there because it's internet based. You don't have to download anything or store anything on your iPad or your computer. It's stored in the web on the Boom Learning platform. Additionally, the first deck that I showed, the birthday one, is a free deck if you sign up for my newsletter at www.stacykraus.com. So you can go there, sign up for the newsletter, and it'll be sent right to your email, so you can try that one right away if you'd like to. So definitely check out Boom Learning on the web, on the app, and browse. You can do previews. There's free previews of all the decks, so you can do a few cards and play it, see if it's something that you think that your students would like, and give it a try.